Roxy,
Kinako Music.
don't watch his style. That boy, top shelf. MC Campton again. Pop Mommy can't find the aisle for cookies too. Chingwa chane suro pasara mapisi tu. No enough food paka where my visitor. It hard. Sister on no time sanitary wear. Daddy vakaenda kare maiwe. Ameno kuti tomorrow tegeza mwana nei. Madai papa china. All the crosses never disappear. Who know I've never ceased to lose. It hard. We stand it with the fear. When a fire pan who ready, we live on. Well, alright, ghetto liberty is a ghetto liberty. Me never eat from morning to evening. Hungry I kill me straight from the beginning. We have it hard, enough people are suffering. Better must come. And if a opportunity me never run down. What food I come sick of, what food I can't wash it. Just fi make a little full round. Can life keep a ghetto? Can nobody say my face so? It Ati mire kushanga, cause we know there's a better tomorrow. So we live on. Me two twin brother go school it one lunchbox. First year school it shoes and turn out socks. We never have it easy, believe me no us. But pan a breadwinner, so me a press gas. Elder sister have two twin with a deadbeat dad. Situation rough, no it only need one God. Better life man a longing for. A better life get a longing for. What and I never fear. Lusaka Abuja now. It hard. Accra never go fear. Yeah man I no better rose. It hard. Tafara mabuku. We never had it easy. It hard. Kambuzuma Mufambi, yeah. We are survivor. Live on. All the crosses never disappear. We know I've never ceased to lose. It hard.